In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Excel file into Jupyter Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm your file is ready to use. Start by opening Jupyter in your web browser. When Jupyter loads, you should see a file browser view showing folders and files on the server or your local machine. Before you upload, check that you're in the folder where you want the Excel file to live. Navigating to the right directory now will save you from moving files later and helps your notebooks find the file with simple relative paths. Next, look to the top right of the Jupyter file browser for the Upload button. Depending on your setup, it may simply say Upload or show an upward arrow icon. Click it to open your system's file picker. If you don't see the button, make sure you're on the Home File view and not inside an open notebook. The Upload control only appears in the file browser. In the file picker, select your Excel file, typically with a XLSX or .xls extension, and confirm by clicking Open. Back in Jupyter, you may see the file listed with a pending state and a final upload button next to it. Click that to complete the upload. Large files might take a moment, so give it a little time. Once the upload finishes, the file will appear in your directory list without the pending label. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh the page or tap the refresh icon in the Jupyter toolbar. A few quick tips for smooth uploads. Keep file names simple, avoid special characters, and overly long names to prevent path issues later. If a file with the same name already exists, Jupyter may overwrite it. Rename your file first if you want to keep the original, and make sure you have write access to the destination folder. That's it. You've opened Jupyter, used the upload button, selected your Excel file, and confirmed it's in the right place. You're now ready to work with it in your notebooks.